A few months ago, I did an experiment of turning Windows 11 into Windows XP. The problem is that it turned out pretty fake looking and not very accurate. However, Linux is supposed to be far more customizable than Windows.
And so, we're turning Linux into Windows XP. Swah, 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 swah.
And my goal for today is to use a very specific theme, which is called XFCE XP DC. But before we can actually install it, we need a bunch of packages. That should do it. Then after we have installed all of these things, all of these packages, we need to clone the actual project. Then after everything is cloned, we can just find cd xfce winxp dc, this one, and then cd packaging. And then on the projects page it says that we have this script and we have to run this command right here, copy. We are inside of packaging and paste. And then still inside of this packaging directory we have to run build all sh script. Now we can see that the project build is complete. That took like 5 minutes. And what we have to do is cd into xptc. Inside of this xptc directory we actually have to run, for Xubuntu it's something like this, but it depends on what distribution is used. And then after we have run that one, we have successfully installed the whole theme, and all that's left to do is to apply everything. So I'm supposed to open up XFCE settings. Let's find those ones. Settings manager. Appearance style Windows XP blue. Yeah, that's pretty cool. What are these ones? Olive green. This one is super nice, but we're gonna go for blue. And this one is also pretty cool. Oh, and there's Zune as well. Okay, let's go for blue. Then let's see icons. Luna icons theme. Fonts. For fonts, we have to set Tahoma regular, this one, and size 8. Select. All settings. Window manager. Title font, I think this one also has to be Tahoma regular. Select. Wait, maybe let's set it bigger, like this. And then I think we also have to check out mouse and touchpad. Theme. Windows XP standard. And this one gives us the cursor. We can see that it even has all of the animations. Windows XP standard with pointer shadows. Oh, this one is actually more accurate. Okay. That is super cool. Window manager. Tahoma regular 10. Okay, that one we have. Title alignment left also. Like that. Okay. Disable window shadows under XFCE settings. Window manager tweaks. Window manager tweaks. This one. Compositor. Show shadows. Disable this one. This one. I think we got everything. Then we have to actually apply the shell. The taskbar and everything. We have to close XFCE's panel and desktop. Okay. And oh, this looks so great already. I like it. What we're supposed to do is quit XFCE4 panel and XF desktop quit. Just like that. Okay. And then inside of XFCE settings, we're supposed to go to session. We have to set it to auto start on login. Session and startup. Application auto start. Add command WinTC desktop. WinTC. Okay. And add WinTC task band. Okay. And I think let's also quickly restart the system to see if it actually works. Let's quickly log in. And okay, it kind of works, except this one doesn't disappear. Open in terminal. Wait. XFCE4 panel quit. XF desktop. Like that. Replace Windows plus R shortcut under XFCE settings keyboard. Okay. Let's go to, which is the settings? Okay, it's control panel now. Let's go to keyboard. This one. Application shortcuts. Add run. Press keyboard keys to trigger the command run. Let's do Windows key plus R. Super plus R. Use run. This one. Okay. Keyboard application shortcuts. Add WinTC task band start. And for this one, let's add Alt F1 as it says. Use WinTC task band. Okay. Install Xscape on your distro. Sudo apt install Xscape. I already have it. And then we have to add a shortcut. Let's go to settings. God, this theme already looks super nice. It looks almost exactly like Windows XP. Keyboard, application shortcuts, command, WinTC, task band. And then after I have installed it, I have to run, let's just copy it, like this. Copy and paste. So now when I do Alt F1 or Windows key, it opens up the start menu. Then we have to configure the sound theme. Let's go to control panel and settings editor. Where is that one? And X settings. This one. Enable event sounds. Enable this one. Volume true. Save. And enable input feedback sounds. This one also. Sound theme name set to Windows XP default. Sound theme name. Value name. Windows XP default. I hope I got that right. Save. Okay, but one thing that we haven't applied yet is a wallpaper, and I wanna quickly double check if this theme comes with a wallpaper. Desktop background, no, it doesn't seem like it does. But that's completely fine because we can just download it from the internet. This one. And now let's apply it. Set as wallpaper. Wait, XFCE, I don't think I was supposed to quit this one. Wait a second, let's reboot. And now we can see that I have a wallpaper. This one still appears. XFCE 4 panel quit. God, these icons are so accurate. Okay. This file manager looks almost exactly like the file explorer, except it's a bit different. And the start menu especially as well. Okay, my document. Everything looks so great. If you enjoyed this video, then you might also like this one next, and I'll possibly see you there.